Hi guys, my name is Alam and today I am going to show you how to forward calls in any Samsung phones. So guys, let's learn something new today. To forward calls in Samsung phones, you have to open your dialer pad, then click on this three dot, then click on settings. On this settings page, you have to scroll down and click on supplementary services. And here you have to wait for a few seconds. And this interface will open. On this page you can see call forwarding option. You have to click on call forwarding, then click on voice calls and wait for few seconds. It will read your SIM card. And you will see four options here. Always forward, forward when busy, forward when unanswered, forward when unreachable. You have to select any one according to your need and this box will open. In this box, you have to type that number on which you want to forward your call. Or you can click on this contact icon and select contact from your contact list and then click on enable. Wait for a few seconds, your call will be forwarded on that number. As you can see, my call has been forwarded on this number. If you want to disable call forwarding, then come to the same page, then click on it and here you have option disable. Click on disable and wait for a few seconds. Your call forwarding will be disabled. So this is how you can forward calls in Samsung phones. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.